Hi, everyone, and welcome to knowledge.bots, where we develop AI-powered bots to provide expert support for complex industries. Today, we're going to be discussing our HVAC tech support solution. So we've built an AI bot for a client who owns an HVAC company and will be using it to support their technicians in the field. HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, but HVAC companies are often involved with refrigeration and sometimes plumbing, electrical work, and even solar setups. So as you can imagine, HVAC companies deal with a diverse set of problems in the field and work with all different kinds of equipment every day, and they need to solve problems in the field on the fly. So also staff expertise for these companies varies across different trades, backgrounds, and experience levels. So as a result of this, companies usually rely on industry experts to support their technicians in the field. Now, this could be a company expert, a senior technician, supervisor, or often third-party tech support call center. For example, if there's a technician in the field with only a few years of experience, they could be calling a supervisor or tech support several times a day to assist with installs, service calls, or unique setups at a particular client's location, for example. These calls can be time-consuming and expensive, and tech support could take hours. Sometimes technicians could be waiting on queues, delaying their job completion. So what we built here is a bot that can help solve 90% of those problems and answer 90% of those questions for technicians in the field for just a few cents per question, as opposed to worrying about a support technician that could cost $50 an hour, for example, to help support your techs in the field. Also, this bot can be used for 24 hours throughout the day, whenever you need it, always ready to answer questions from all your techs with no wait time. So let's go ahead and take a look at this and go through some examples. So here's an example of our HVAC tech support bot. And let's say that I'm a technician and I'm going out into the field to install a Mitsubishi mini split into a client's house. And let's just say I want a refresher on how to do that install. So I could go ahead and ask the bot, how do I install a Mitsubishi mini split? And it will start by giving me just a general overview. Okay, determine where the units will be located, install the outdoor unit first, how to mount it, connect the indoor unit, and so on, electrical wiring, and of course, testing the system. Now, if I wanted a little bit more information, I could ask something like, how do I install the outdoor unit? It will go ahead and check the knowledge base and give me a very quick response. Here we are, even more details, and this is particular for the outdoor unit of a Mitsubishi mini split. Okay, so let's take a look at a different scenario. Let's say I'm doing a service call for a residential client and their water heater keeps turning on and off. So let me say I'm trying to troubleshoot that, and let's figure out some reasons. Why would this water heater keep turning on and off, and how can I troubleshoot this? Go ahead and ask the bot, and right away, here we are, 4 potential things to look into and start troubleshooting. All potential reasons, and this will help us get started and really get into debugging what the potential issues are for that water heater. Okay, let's take a different scenario. Let's say it's the first call of the morning and I'm going to go do a furnace install. And I want to make sure that I have all my tools in my toolkit. So what tools do I need to install a furnace? I just want to make sure I have everything in my van before I head out for the day. Here we are. All right. And this is a great list. Maybe I forgot my crimper or something like that, or I want to make sure that we have all the equipment that we need in the truck. All right, let's do just 2 more examples. Let's say I'm troubleshooting a walk-in cooler and I get to a client and there's excess ice in that walk-in cooler. Again, troubleshooting, I'm trying to figure out what could be the potential cause of this. And maybe the bot can give us some ideas of where to get started. Let's see what it comes up with. Here we are. 6 different ideas, potential causes, and things to investigate. This is a great way for me to start my investigation as a tech in the field. Okay, finally, let's say I need a little bit more information. I'm working on a train XV18 model, and I want a little bit more information on the electrical specifications. So I'm going to provide it with a model number, and let's say I need to know some of the voltage and current ratings on this particular unit. Here we go. All right, we got the voltage, phase, some information on a few other electrical specs here as well. And we can go ahead and train the bot for specific models, for specific units, for specific equipment, whatever information your company might be using. We could train its knowledge base for that, and it will have all that information ready to go for technicians in the field. So thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to explore any more options around this, feel free to check out our channel and go ahead and grab our email and reach out with any questions you might have. Have a great day.